Hello, my name is Jeremy Actia. My name is Jeremy Actia. So, I want to show to you, I have to show you having the start of YouTube Kids has been something went wrong, has disappeared. So, I need have to say for you, I'm in I'm in Thailand. I'm fooling you. It's the same like a Turkmenistan, bruh. So, I'm having tour on Turkmenistan. I'm speaking Thai you. Sawasdee. Just kidding. So, currently I'm in United States. So, I'm exploring before is Turkmenistan. So, I need for the sound the alarm. No. So, but just kidding. When I'm here, then what the heck? Oh my God! Sound the alarm here. Everyone, listen to EAS alarm now.
Emergency action notification. The following message by transmission requested by United States government. This is not a test. Repeat. This is not a test. YouTube Kids is shut down without any reason and gone forever. YouTube Kids channels, every channel has gone without any reason and gone. Many people realize YouTube Kids gone. Many parents has confused for YouTube Kids gone. But everyone 4-year-old kids said, disturbing videos are gone. This goes for everyone 4 years old kids. Many people and parents known, scared, sad, suicidal, homicidal, angry, and even crazy to have all resided in the United States. Stop watching disturbing YouTube Kids. YouTube Kids has been regained again in 5 February 2024. Thank you for your cooperation. And next update.
The following message transmission at request by Washington Internet Agency. This internet call yaps of kids. All gone leave forever. All resident in Washington. Please. Say goodbye to yaps of kids. Yaps of kid is not Do not listen to him. This is a following message transmission at request by Washington Internet Agency. This is not a test. Or repeat. This is not a test. We are found unknown program form website. Has begun to appear. All residents of Washington, ignore unknown program now, and listen to United States government.
This is a United States government. A code program has appeared. All residents in United States, stay away and ignoring this program. There is a computer virus. We are going to explain this time. Only one way to make you easier. Antivirus this program now. There is no explain time. I'm going to be dead. End of message.
See. United States government knows there is a computer virus. Make a lot easier as antivirus. We are in this message. Stay tuned for information to update.